Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Have you ever wondered what happens if your air conditioner runs without refrigerant? Can the compressor survive? Will the AC still cool? Is it safe to keep running the system? Many homeowners believe that refrigerant, often called AC gas, simply gets used up over time and only needs to be refilled. But that's not how an air conditioning system works. In today's video, I'll explain what really happens when an AC operates with little or no refrigerant, why it's dangerous for your system, and what you should do if you suspect a refrigerant leak. Let's get started. What is refrigerant? Before understanding the problem, let's first understand what refrigerant actually does. Refrigerant is the working fluid that continuously circulates inside a sealed refrigeration system. Its job is to absorb heat from inside the room through the evaporator coil and release that heat outdoors through the condenser coil. The refrigerant changes between liquid and vapor as it moves through the refrigeration cycle, making cooling possible. One important fact: refrigerant is not consumed during normal operation. If the refrigerant level becomes low, it almost always indicates a leak that should be repaired. Can an AC run without refrigerant? Technically, the AC may still turn on if the electrical components are working, but it cannot provide proper cooling without sufficient refrigerant. The indoor blower fan may continue circulating room air, and the outdoor fan may also operate. However, because there is little or no refrigerant to absorb heat, the system cannot perform the refrigeration cycle effectively. Some modern inverter systems include safety controls that may stop the compressor if abnormal operating conditions are detected. What happens inside the system? Let's understand what occurs step by step. Normally, refrigerant absorbs heat inside the evaporator and carries it to the outdoor condenser. Without enough refrigerant, the evaporator cannot absorb sufficient heat from the indoor air. As a result, the room remains warm even though the AC appears to be running. The compressor is also affected because the refrigerant returning to it helps carry heat away from the compressor during normal operation. When refrigerant flow is insufficient, compressor operating conditions become abnormal, increasing the risk of overheating. Sign 1. Poor or no cooling. The first symptom most people notice is reduced cooling performance. The AC runs continuously, but the room temperature hardly changes. Many users lower the thermostat to 16 degrees Celsius, hoping the room will cool faster. Unfortunately, lowering the temperature setting cannot compensate for insufficient refrigerant. The system simply continues running without achieving the desired temperature. Sign 2. Longer running time. Because the thermostat never reaches the selected temperature, the compressor may continue operating for much longer than normal. This increases electricity consumption while providing very little cooling. Long operating hours also increase wear on system components. Sign 3. Ice formation. Low refrigerant can sometimes cause ice to develop on the evaporator coil or the larger insulated suction line. Why does this happen? With insufficient refrigerant, parts of the evaporator may become much colder than intended. If airflow is also restricted, moisture in the air can freeze on the coil, forming ice. However, remember that ice formation does not always mean low refrigerant. Dirty filters, blocked airflow, or blower problems can produce similar symptoms. Sign 4. Compressor stress. The compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. When refrigerant circulation becomes abnormal, the compressor operates under conditions it was not designed for. High operating temperatures, reduced cooling performance, and continuous operation increase stress on the compressor. If this condition continues for a long time, serious compressor damage may occur, leading to expensive repairs or replacement. Sign 5. Higher electricity bills. Many people think low refrigerant means lower electricity consumption. The opposite is often true. Since the AC runs longer trying to reach the thermostat setting, energy consumption can increase even though cooling performance decreases. You end up paying more while feeling less comfortable. Common symptoms of low refrigerant. If your AC has a refrigerant leak, you may notice several warning signs. Cooling performance gradually becomes weaker. The AC runs continuously. Ice forms on the indoor coil or suction pipe. The compressor becomes unusually hot. Some inverter ACs display refrigerant-related fault codes. In some cases, oil stains may appear near refrigerant pipe connections because compressor oil can escape with leaking refrigerant. These symptoms suggest a possible refrigerant issue, but proper diagnosis is still required. Common mistakes people make. Many homeowners unknowingly make the situation worse. One common mistake is continuing to operate the AC for weeks, even though cooling has dropped significantly. Another mistake is repeatedly adding refrigerant without repairing the leak. Some people replace expensive parts such as the compressor before confirming whether a refrigerant leak actually exists. Proper diagnosis should always come before replacing components or recharging the system. What should you do if you suspect low refrigerant? If you believe your AC may have low refrigerant, follow these steps. First, switch off the cooling system if cooling performance has dropped dramatically or ice is forming. Next, check the air filters and ensure airflow is not restricted. Inspect the outdoor unit for dirt or debris. Then contact a qualified HVAC technician. The technician should locate the leak, repair it, evacuate the system using a vacuum pump if the sealed system has been opened, and recharge the refrigerant according to the manufacturer's specifications. Simply adding refrigerant without fixing the leak is only a temporary solution. How to prevent refrigerant problems. The best way to prevent refrigerant-related issues is through regular maintenance. Have the system inspected annually by a qualified technician. Keep the evaporator and condenser coils clean. Protect refrigerant piping from physical damage. Watch for oil stains around flare connections or brazed joints. Never ignore reduced cooling performance or unusual operating behavior. Early detection helps prevent expensive repairs. Conclusion. So, what happens if your AC runs without refrigerant? The system loses its ability to cool effectively. The compressor may operate under abnormal conditions. Cooling performance drops. Electricity consumption often increases. And if the underlying leak is not repaired, major compressor damage can eventually occur. Remember, refrigerant does not disappear on its own. If the level is low, there's usually a leak that should be properly diagnosed and repaired by a qualified HVAC technician. Understanding how refrigerant works can help you avoid unnecessary repairs, reduce electricity costs, and extend the life of your air conditioning system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel.